Hey, DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today, I'm sharing with you this really easy farmhouse do-it-yourself sign. So here I just have a piece of scrap wood. I painted it with a white chalk paint. I also have a stencil that I bought at Hobby Lobby with a 40% coupon, of course. And what I did was tape down the stencil to the wood using painter's tape. I did use some Mod Podge to help with the bleeding. Once that Mod Podge dried, I went ahead and used a black chalk paint with a sponge brush. And it helps to just tap the brush up and down like I'm doing here. Also guys, I just opened a Instagram. If you guys want to follow me there, I'm going to leave you guys the link. It's called La Casa Craft 1. I'll leave you the link in the description and the comments. Go ahead and click it and follow me there. You'll see lots of projects that I'm working on. So this is the sign after it dried. It did have a little bit of bleeding, but it's alright. It's a farmhouse sign. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I also had some leftover quarter round that I cut to fit the frame, to make a frame for this, and fit it right around that piece of wood and just glued it to the wood. I also stained the quarter round. And now you have this really cool farmhouse sign that you did yourself, and it was just like from scrap pieces of wood. How awesome is that? So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this really quick DIY. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the link in the description bar to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY hookup.